Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. I'm Abhin, and for those of you who are new here, I'm a teenager with lots of ambitions with regards to cameras and cinema, and I'm also trying to make it big out there. So if you like this video, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And with that aside, let's get straight into the video. But also for those of you who are new here, please make sure to check out my previous project, Far Yet Still Close, because this is about that. So I'll leave the card up right here and let's get straight into it. Cheers. So basically, if you guys know me, I actually had interest in content creation and videography since high school, and from that time I've been making content. And I look back, I noticed some few things which hit me. So the first thing was stock footages. I basically created content using lots of stock footages, and I used my voice as a narration to guide the flow of the video. All those videos were like different and unique in their own way, but the problem was it was stock footages and I didn't shoot them. And second, there was not really much action because I was dictating the flow of the video. Second was solo. 99.9% of whatever I've done is basically solo. I haven't got somebody else involved, nor did I take help from anyone. So everything was mostly trial and error, and me shooting the videos, me downloading the videos and editing it over and adding my own voice. So then it hit me that whatever I do next, I need to get somebody involved. I need to direct properly the way I want to and try to learn something from the video.
क्या जवाब दूं हाल प्यार का तू ही
The song that I picked was basically a KHS cover of Sky Full of Stars. It had Neeti Mohan and Rushil. I've been listening to this song for basically 3 to 4 years. I mean, the song resonates a lot with me, so I knew I could make a story out of it. Therefore, I started scripting my idea as soon as I can. In around mid of June, I was scripting my ideas, and by the end of June, I had finished writing my script, my whole idea, whatever I felt was necessary. And after that, I was finalizing on actors, location, costumes, and what else was necessary for the shoot. So that was totally pre-production, and after we finished pre-production, we were heading to production. So it was actually time for rehearsals. Alright, so today is day 1 of rehearsal of the cinematic music video Far Yet Still Close, and Chandan and Narmada will come around 3 o'clock. Right now I'm just trying to prepare things which are required and necessary for the content that we'll be rehearsing about. I get that right, and hopefully this thing works out. So I already have this script ready, I have everything ready. It's just that we just sit and discuss and get it going. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Rehearsals were fun and interactive. I enjoyed and I understood a lot during rehearsals. You know how you have to share your vision with the people that are involved in the project. Overall, rehearsals were fun, and then we were coming towards shoot day. To shoot day 1, it was actually Ravi's shoot, or my friend Chandan. Ravi is the character's name. So that shoot was pretty interesting.
Okay, we started shooting at around 4:45 something, and now it's 7:40 something while you're going back home. Yeah, today was Chandan shoot, day 1. If I like it, tomorrow maybe I won't have the shoot for day 2, and I'll jump straight to Koyal's part. So yeah, catch up later. Peace.
Day 1 for Ravi's shoot was pretty sick in my opinion. I made a ton of mistakes as a rookie, and I wasn't fully satisfied with what I did. We overextended by 1 hour, and by the time I finished, I was totally exhausted. But I felt good about it because either way, I made mistakes, I'm learning from them. And now we were moving on to shoot day 2 for Koyal. But the only problem here was the dress was not able to finalize. We actually ran on with some problems with the dress, so I had to finalize on an anarkali, and anarkalis are very difficult to rent because one, the budget was tight and the expectations were really high.
So turns out there's one problem, that is a dress for Koyal. I'm trying places, and unfortunately, very few places that give out anarkali for rent. So finally, I've come up to Reliance to just see what they have. I might, leave the anarkali idea and move on to something else, because shoot is tomorrow and I don't have the costume yet. So that's the problem. But yeah, let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. Hopefully, I find something. Otherwise, let's see. Peace.
So renting an anarkali was pretty difficult. Finding one was also itself difficult. So then I decided to buy an anarkali, but then later on we just scrapped the idea and we went on with a white kurti with an umbrella cut, which would suit the character well. So now we were heading to shoot day 2.
Today is shoot day and everything else is ready. I have my friend's Bluetooth speaker here charging, my camera battery charging. I'm listening to the song again and again so I don't screw up in the shoot this time, and water for hydration. So if you haven't drank your water, drink it. It's just a reminder. And me and Chandan will leave and we'll go to my to Dhru's place for the shoot. There we'll do a little bit setup, move the furniture here and there to get the look that I'm looking forward for, and then finally we'll just try to shoot till 6:30 and end up the day. Huh? Chalo, bye.
Koyo's shoot day was pretty good in my opinion, because I did not make mistakes that I made on the day when I shot for Ravi, and I also shot plenty of clips that day, and I also finished shooting it by time. Alright, so that was one thing. But again, I wasn't fully satisfied, and I couldn't actually ask for more shots because we had a tight schedule and also we had to wrap up by the exact time. Soon later, then I sat down to edit my videos. After 3 to 2 days, I uploaded the video right before the deadline, and that's how the whole video thing was done. So here's what I learned from the whole video experience was number one was do not rush the job. Fine, take it smoothly, because art does not happen in seconds or as fast as it can. Everything requires its own time. And next was try to get everything to pixel perfect during your pre-production, because that time if you get everything right, everything else will be very smooth during your time of shoot. 3, don't worry about the number of takes that you're taking in the video. Try to get the desired result that you want to. And lastly, know your shit. The main goal for me in creating this video was to learn, and I feel that I did. I've just begun my journey into greatness, and I believe that one day I'll get there. But until then, this was Abhin, and I'll see you all in the next one. Stay safe and stay creative. Peace.
Waking up to ashen dust, I wipe my brow but I sweat my rust. Breathing in the chemicals